Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are leaving to California. Please excuse my wretchedness, and my son is looking at me like, Mom, what the are you doing? Mama no sa California, Mamoy. Mama no. It's too early for him. It is 4 a.m. and we went to sleep. Sorry if I'm dark. We went to sleep around, I went to sleep like at 2 in the morning. He went to sleep like at 1:30, so he's exhausted. I'm going to be vlogging today, so we will see you guys on the way. Were you scared? I got my teeth. Baby, shark do, baby.
Dice que vámonos, que así más adelantito. Está algo, un taco veo o algo.
Dice hola al vlog, papi.
Hola.
No,
vámonos.
no me pases.
Vámonos.
Que dice que te van a
Dile, los vemos allá. Bye. To St. Pedro, babe.
It's cold as hell though.
Where are we?
St. Pedro.
Vaya, mamoy, tunitamos, mamoy.
Hey, is the right?
Right now.
Is the right?
Oh man. If you have not been to St. Pedro, you need to come. We had to go back to the car.
Hey.
To change.
Catch us on that kangaroo though.
The guy from The Hangover, Alan. We're going on the boat.
Anda compa Chachi, mira. El compa Chachi anda gallina agarrado ahí. ¿Qué onda, Perla? Having fun?
Yeah.
What up, boys? Hey. ¿Tiene frío, pa? ¿Tiene frío?
Yes, it's so cold. We made it to the hotel. Look, it's one hotel with 2 beds and 1 sofa bed, and look how much we are. Comment down below if you do that.
You know,
Plus one.
You know you're
what, baby?
I'm cheap.
You're cheap.
Excuse me?
I'm here to do a room tour.
Hey.
No room talk.
You can only do a room tour and then you can leave. It's mine empty room.
So there's a TV right here. And then there's a sofa bed right there. We already made a mess.
Oh yeah.
There's a table. There's a sink.
Look at me, Nana.
They're recording you!
They're cheating!
The heck?
And then here is, how do you turn it? This is the restroom. This is if we don't want to see the neighbors. It has 1 bed, 2 bed,
Me and Juan can share
another TV.
the sofa and then Brandon
Under
here.
this.
We just close the door.
I don't show myself because I'm fucking fat.
Con esa
And then I want to show you guys. Right now we're gonna go to the pool and we will catch you later when we shower or tomorrow.
The heck?
Me and Santiel just came back from the pool. Like, he's so burnt, my baby.
He started crying.
Look at his little nose. Look how burnt I am. One's trying to come out so bad. We're gonna go ahead and go to sleep now because we're gonna be up early tomorrow. Okay, es tuya.
Anda de la nariz bien quemado. ¿Van a querer camarones? No. ¿Usted cree que se hagan mama?
Mom life. You need a man in your life, get the planche. Ladies, if you not have a guy get the planche, do not get with them. Yeah, baby? It's a shame that Juan me plancha because I don't know how to plancha. Yeah, babe. Good morning. It's not focusing. We have matching shirts. We are on our way to Universal Studios. Santiel's face. We already ate breakfast. This is how the hotel looks from downstairs. We're matching, huh, baby? Bebecito. We are matching, bebecito. Ay, amo muy mucho.
Hi, look. We're going to another Universal for my birthday, and we're going to the mummy ride. Scratch the can.
We're gonna get going right now. We'll see you guys when we get there. And we arrived to Universal Studios. Outfit cam. We are twinning. Everybody has the same clothes on. We are trying to get our tickets.
Guys, Jurassic World
It's open.
but it's packed as hell. But luckily we have the fast pass, but just for one time. But fucking, you know, we gotta do what we gotta do.
What up?
Baby Titiel. Babe. Time that like you. Hold on, that's not my part. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next.
Deuces.
I'm in the bathroom.
Single daddy over here with the baby.
Ay, nobody wants you.
Oh!
It's my uncle's first time coming. It's our first time coming with Santiel. Where were you? Were you talking to a girl already?
Nah, we good, we good.
Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. We're waiting to get our tickets.
And all the way down to your right. As those lines at the very end will be your quickest ways inside
It's
the
so
car.
hot.
So once again, if you're joining us on our plaza and you already have a ticket.
Oh, Madagascar is out. We already came inside. Mom, dad life as fuck. Every single one.
It's one at a time, but I'm working on something really big today.
Watch out, babe. Going down.
Hello guys, we're back. It's so hot. We came to Panda because we're hungry. So we ended up getting Panda Express. What did you get?
One chicken, broccoli beef, and fried rice.
Yummy. Santiel is very hungry right now. He's hangry. And this is my plate. We're going to eat.
Stop temporarily. Please remain seated to the show as soon as possible. Thank you for your patience.
My makeup looks like shit, I know, so don't come for me. The scariest thing just happened to us. There was an earthquake and we're so scared. It was a 6.9.
We're watching the show.
We were in Waterworld and we were just
I was
sitting.
recording it too, and all of a sudden we just see like the seas shaking. We're like, what the hell?
Yeah, like they just stopped the show out of nowhere and we were like, me and Juan just looked at each other, and then the couple in front of us was like, was that an earthquake? Oh
Yeah.
my god, we were shook as fuck.
I looked it up real quick.
And then Juan got online and searched it up and it was a 6.9.
6.9, 7.1, I'm not sure.
We're debating to go home today or not. Oh my god. We'll see you guys when we're hungry. We're gonna go eat. We'll see you guys when we get there. Oh my god, I look like shit. Don't come for me. Santil. We are at the beach. Hey you guys.
What up? About to go into the water.
We're at the beach. Good morning everyone.
Good morning, guys.
It is day 4 of California and we came to Chinatown. Campo Panda right here.
Campo Panda.
Pick up a leg.